If you've gone through the troubleshooting process and determined that your solenoid's bad, or say you're at the elevator and you can't open and close your tarp up because of something wrong with the box, there is a way to bypass the solenoid and control the tarp manually from the box. These two bolts here need to come off. They're 10 millimeter, and I've loosened them already. There's a stack of washers there and lock washers. Be careful not to lose them. We'll just get them off. Set them off to the side. Get your two wires loose here. We're going to come back around. This is the positive side, this is the negative side. If you just touch the wires here, you'll run the motor. You may have to reverse it to run it the other way, but that will run the tarp manually. It will spark when you do this, and just touch the side of the bolt, and from there you can operate the tarp and have to get a replacement box to deal with the solenoid issue.